Hi, this is Sarah, and I'm here today at 14 Springflower at everyone's favorite subdivision, Seasons, in Woodbridge, doing a virtual open house. This newly renovated property features just over 1,100 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's walking distance to IUSD's top-rated schools. This single-level home is a great end location central to all the Woodbridge amenities. They've got 2 lakes with beach clubs, 22 pools, splash pads, numerous ball courts, playgrounds, and acres of greenbelts to walk. All right, enough about the amenities, let's get inside. When you walk in, you'll immediately notice the open concept. It's light and bright, and the vaulted ceilings. All right, we will start in the kitchen, the heart of everyone's home. We've got 2-tone cabinets with soft close, stainless steel appliances, and my favorite, the farmhouse sink. I'm gonna give you a second to take a look at all these designer touches. All right, guys, let's tour the rest of the home. Let's go to the spacious living room with lots of large windows and garden views. A nice cozy fireplace to relax. Like I said, everything's been newly renovated, so we gotta check out this awesome master bedroom. It's light and bright, but when you're ready to sleep, just flip the switch. Check out the walk-in closet, it's mirrored too, and my favorite, the farmhouse door. Let's go inside. All right, let's check out the second bedroom. So many windows, light and bright, mirrored closets. This room can fit a queen bed, but I do love this for your little one too. And you can see the den, possibly a 3rd bedroom or office with built-in desk bookshelf. Some of the awesome features of the home are the smart capabilities. You've got the Nest thermostat, smoke and carbon monoxide detector, and front and backyard sprinklers. That means you can control these even when you're not home. And on this beautiful day in Irvine, let's head outside to our private yard. You can use the planter for vegetables, lounge out here, and from here you're connected to the garage from either the dining room or the patio. You've got a 2-car garage with washer dryer hookups and newly installed shelves. All right, guys, that's our tour of this beautiful property. Thank you for watching, and we will talk soon.